estás?
Everything okay yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did. I see it well.
We can ask her what she can find.
Ani, atone tu pelo. Necesito, sí. ¿Cuánto tu viva? Oh, aquí. Oh, está bien. ¿Tu nombre es?
Daimi.
Okay. Okay.
Day 2 and no, day 3. And we are starting a little late. It's 12:30 now. We're leaving the house, but we're still gonna make the most of it. So we're heading to the Cathedral Plaza. That's where we're going. We're on our way to the cathedral to find the cathedral, and we stopped in this place, and it's like old Europe. It's literally, I feel like I'm in Italy or Spain. It's beautiful. Am I in Europe or am I in Cuba? Because wow, this is an art studio right here, a gallery. And right is this church. This is the church we see every morning from our house. The church. It's beautiful. Hola, you want me to take this? Gracias. Oh, do I pay? Huh? Oh, sorry, no. Go ahead.
Estaba esperando más que le dijera que sí, que tenía que caerte aquí.
Probably 50 years old, and it probably hasn't been renovated like the building.
Exactly, yep.
Maybe the motor is the only thing they take care of, and here we are.
I wonder what this used to be.
I know, right?
Oh my God, you guys think that this is the port where they brought the slaves?
Yeah? Oh, it's possible.
We're going to the statue over there. No, that's just a statue of Jesus. So we're here in Casablanca, and now we gotta walk. We left 2 behind because they didn't want to walk, but now we gotta walk.
I was asking, you have the strength? Let's do it.
Doing it.
Yes, we are. Okay, so Tres. We found the car, and he's gonna take us. I guess he has to take us down and then up, right?
Mucho.
Seriously? Oh!
We're already here.
That was a short ass ride.
I told you, like, we're almost there.
Oh my God.
How Che Guevara, Jesus, stop.
Aquí. Gracias. That was embarrassing.
It was embarrassing.
Literally.
Jesus Christ, we finally made it. The top of the mountain.
We made it. The house is over here. Oh. How is it that we took a car and we got here later than they did? How? View of Havana came.
La maison du Che est juste en face.
Che Guevara's house. He had a really nice view of Cuba from, Havana over there. How cute. Mangoes. So this is a Fortaleza. What is a Fortaleza? Was it an armory?
The castle. Yeah, fortress.
It's a castle.
Yeah.
Oh, was anybody living in there?
I mean, what was it for?
To protect the
island.
So they probably have some cannonball over there on top.
Oh.
They said they shoot the cannon every...
To protect the island, they shoot cannons from here. saw Shay's house, just one, like just walk up the hill, and that was that. And now we're getting on this janky ass boat with no lifeguard jackets or nothing, but you know, this is how Cubans do it. I feel like this boat has been around for so long, and it's gonna be around for much more longer.
Smelling minty because the thing is
Pretty.
bonita.
It's so cute.
My name is Emma.
Emma, yes.
She's 5.
Matilda wanted this.
Yes.
With Emma.
Sold me on the music. I'm like, come on, what's the music?
Actually, mojito.
We are, oh, my hair looks crazy. Crazy. Anyway, so. Huh? Oh, thank you. So we are here. I'm here with Chinda and Evelyn, aka Team B, because we rode the taxi yesterday together. So I'm calling us Team B, and we're going to Art's Cubano Factory. We are waiting on the others. Our taxis are here. It's our first night going dancing. We're so excited, and we are off with our driver. You guys, we were driving in the door fucking home.
You know what? It's my fault because I thought I was trying to put the window down up.
Oh, you opened it!
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is so scary as fuck.
It's just, I know. It's a good thing I was sitting in the middle. I know, she's sitting in the middle. Please move, yeah, okay. Just stay right there. Esta mi culpa. Señor. Esta mi culpa.
Okay.
Porque es...
No se preocupe.
Yeah, no.
Él jaló la palanca para subir abrir la puerta. No hay problema.
Okay. We're here at the factory. We had to get off a block away. Like this was Uber pool or something.
It's not parking, he's just dropping them off. So why didn't you want to drop us off?
I don't know.
Made us walk.
There across. There's only one stage.
There is like different places, different stages.
Should we all just get a glass and walk around and talk about the art? Oh yeah, we get a free drink. Do we not? We get a free drink with a ticket.
No, the drinks that are $3.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. So we're here. It's kind of a bus, but we paid $50 via taxi. So we're going to enjoy this. What do you call this piece? So every artist has their own like cake collection. Dress, look at that dress. This is where I want to live. This is the kind of art that I appreciate. Clothes, purses. I made this top. I don't know who made it. This dress is me. Wow, what is this called?
It's almost like the top you had on today. Is this your work?
Yes. What is your work about, miss? Do you mind if I film you or? Yes. Oh, okay.
My English is not so good, but well,
That's fine.
I do research about the Cuban design from the first half of 20th century.
Okay.
Okay? And
Yeah.
that's all the pieces is handmade and one piece for design.
Wow.
Sorry. Somebody's calling.
Okay. Why in Africa do we dance like this?
A vintage car. So in case we don't get to do it tomorrow.
mira bien.
He's talking to the other car. Like you have to look.
Oh, so we were walking in the bushes, literally, and we saw this man. He was, I don't know, I didn't even see him, and we saw him. He was just standing and smoking a cigar. So we saw the taxi and we're like, can we get it for $3 to go to the Calle Ocho or whatever? Not Calle Ocho. 1830, which is another club for salsa, because we came from the Art Factory, and that shit was. No, it's long by car, but because you have to take the main roads or whatever. But it's literally a 7-minute walk, but you know, you have to turn around and stuff. And so it's 1830?
No.
Oh.
No, he's giving you light.
Oh, gracias, senor. You really... Okay, so this is everybody. And we are going to 1830 with our papi over here, papito. It's a vintage car. Wait, what kind of car is this? Cadillac?
No, Buick.
Buick. Oh, from what, 1950?
51.
That's expensive.
Yes.
That's expensive as well. Oh my god. Anyways, I guess tomorrow I can check that off my list. We don't have to do that thing. And it's only $3.
Well, this is my second ride in one.
Oh yeah, you did. Okay.
I can miss town.
Yeah, gracias.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, gracias. This is our car.
Beyonce cover.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Wow, it's a lot of tourists.
This is like what, a tour? So what is this?
Y ahora, fuerte. Arriba.
So we're done. Everybody's reunited. We, what'd you have? Did you guys have a good time?
Water.
God, where did this man park?
Lady, this is your car.
Front as always. Machine that don't open the door again like you did. Oh my God. This car is giving me vintage vibes. They're really trying to rip us off. I feel really invasive right now.
Limosina cubana.
Limosina cubana. This is my outfit right now. So, you know what? She was right.
A little bit like what the...
Evelyn was right. What is that? Is that a boat coming here?